unboxing today because today is by the way, I just received YouTube messages, YouTube message through my email, and I have a printout here to say that I just been approved yesterday to YouTube partner program. I'm so glad and so happy for this one. And today is my birthday, and it's like a double celebration. Wow! And I have a scissor here, and we're gonna start unboxing. By the way, I just received the box here. I received this a few days ago, and the brother texted me about this box, and he said it's help for my doing vloggings, and I'm so excited to open this one, and I'm so excited. Thanks, brother. And let's start. Oh, this is my name here. Yes, it is. This is mine. Wow. And let's see. See that? See this, guys? Let's see what it looks inside. Oh! Where is this one? Wow! Lovely jubbly. Look at that. I look like a professional now doing this. Thanks, brother. Shout out to my brother. Thank you very much. And my sister-in-law, thank you very much for this. Oh, this is the cord for charger. And we stand here. There you go. So we stand there. Ooh, it's like a fragile, huh? Is this? Oops. Wow. Wow. It's very nice. Wow. Thank you very much. I'm so happy and so excited to use this soon. Oh, maybe I can use this later on. Oh. Look at this, guys, here. There's a video clip. And this camera you need to press on. This is the button. I don't know where's the charger here. Oh, right. It's been moving around like that. I don't know how to set up this one, but I'm gonna study this later on. And this is the gift that I received, and I'm so happy. Oh, there's something more inside. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's maybe it's the procedure or guidelines how to use these gadgets. Service card. Maybe there's a warranty as well, for long life warranty. Hope so. For quick start guide. This is the one. There you are. Let's see. All right. This is the warranty period here. The certificate is quality. Yes, it's pass. And this is the barcode. This is the guidelines. Installation, how to dismantle with this one, and that one we're using the phone. how to use the phone using this one, and that's one. And the Connect CY Play. Oh dear, I'm so excited to use this one. I'm so in love this now here. I'm so happy and I'm glad. Thank you very much. Anyway, to all my subscribers, thank you very much, because if without you guys, I'm not thank you again and again. Thanks, brother. Thumbs up. I'm going to try how to use this one using my phone. How to put this on top there. Just put your cell phone here on the side. There you go. And there you are. Put it on here. There's nothing. That's on. It's very stable. Very stable. It's very nice. That's good. I love it. Look at that. Look at that. That's lovely. this one. I really like it. It's a bit heavy, but it's fine. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you, Daddy. Happy birthday to you. The best life.
Oh, kiss daddy. Kiss daddy. Love you. Birthday.
Happy
To
birthday,
me.
Daddy.